In a quiet forest lived a colorful little parrot named Pako. But Pako had a funny habit. He loved copying everyone around him. One day, Pako saw a big elephant blowing his trumpet. He puffed up his cheeks and shouted, "Pawoo!" But it sounded really weird. The elephant frowned and said, "That's not how it's done, Pako." Next, he saw some frogs jumping and croaking by the pond. He joined in. Ribbit, ribbit. But splash! He slipped and fell right into the pond. The frogs were shocked. Pako, not so much fun anymore. Soaked and embarrassed, Pako sat under a tree, alone. Why don't they like it when I copy? He wondered sadly. Just then, a kind old owl flew down beside him. He smiled and said, "Pako, you're not meant to copy others. You have your own voice, just use it." That evening, Pako tried singing a tune of his own. It wasn't perfect, but it was his. And you know what? The animal smiled and clapped. For the first time, Pako felt proud, just being himself. Moral of the story: be yourself. Everyone else is already taken.